everyone. If you are the first in your family to don a suit or thinking about a career in law, you might have heard that it's an uphill battle with years of struggles ahead. While some of those notions are partially true, there are plenty of ways to navigate your journey. After all these famous people that I'm sure you know of are in fact first generation lawyers. So stick around because today I'll share the success mantra to becoming a great first generation lawyer. Let's get started. First, let's understand who a first generation lawyer is and the challenges they face. A first generation lawyer is someone who is the first in their entire family tree to become a lawyer. In contrast, someone with lawyer parents is a second generation lawyer and so on. These people generally face more hardships to carve their path to success in comparison to their peers. This is mainly down to having no familial guidance or connections. Building a network from scratch is quite challenging for a first generation lawyer, and even if they want to start an independent practice, it requires a substantial capital to begin with. Despite these challenges, there is a brighter side. There are specific skills that can help you carve a successful path. All these famous first generation lawyers that we talked about earlier had to develop these skills too. As Harvey Specter once said, success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. To become a successful lawyer, you must inculcate certain traits in you, such as intellectual prowess, persuasion and negotiation, perseverance and resilience. Let's see now how you can develop all these skills. You need to become an avid reader starting today. As a lawyer, it is crucial to be meticulous in gathering information, reviewing documents, and building strong cases. You must be able to examine situations from various angles, identifying key issues, and developing well-reasoned arguments. A pro tip: reading one judgment a day will shape your mind. Ram Jethmalani, a celebrated name in the legal fraternity, was an enthusiastic reader and a writer. He had a profound love for education, that too not only in legal matters but also in broader philosophical and ethical context. He once recommended reading the cross-examination of Mr. Oscar Wilde in his defamation case against Douglas's father to learn the art of cross-examination. Here is a list of books that you can start reading. Effective communication is crucial in the legal profession. You need a diverse set of communication skills to excel in various situations. Fali Nariman, a renowned name in law, was known for his ability to tailor his arguments to suit differing judges. Hence, it is recommended that you should actively participate in moot court competitions, trial advocacy, and negotiation and mediation competitions to improve your communication skills and research abilities. Using proceedings effectively is essential for a lawyer, and this is only possible through thorough research. Also, I would like you to know that these notable names in the legal fraternity makes more than 7 lakhs to 25 lakhs per hearing. Building a strong network is key to your success. Trust among peers and a solid referral network come from a strong professional relationships. Here is a tip for aspiring lawyers. Figure out the networking style that fits your personality and go with it. Career services departments at universities offer best opportunities to help you build these connections. Also, get involved in conferences, seminars, online platforms like LinkedIn and various other legal forums. Leverage the power of social media and build yourself a brand. Once you do, try finding a mentor. This will be a game changer since having a mentor can guide you and open up multiple career opportunities. For example, the famous jurist Nani Palkhiwala was one of Fali Nariman's mentors. Who better than Leela Seth to to show us what a strong-minded women can achieve in law. Justice Leela Seth's legacy is all about breaking barriers for women and using the law to fight for social justice. As the first woman judge of the Delhi High Court, she helped change India's rape laws after the 2012 Delhi gang case. Menaka Guruswamy is another inspiring first-generation lawyer in India. She taught us the importance of changing with the times. She played a key role in overturning Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code, which has made the same-sex relations illegal. Her work for the LGBTQ rights is one of her greatest achievements. The main idea here is to find a special area in law and become a strong voice in it through personal branding. Recognize and seize the opportunity, just like these pioneering women have done. Legal drafting is the bedrock of a successful legal career. And since this is something that you learn over the years and with experience, it is suggested to start early. The legal profession swears by the maxim, verba volant, scripta manent, which means spoken words fly away, written words remain. Although there is no substitute for hard work, but working on these 5 skills during your law school journey will set you on the right path.